Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the preview of my project. So let's get started. So for this project, I'm using 8 by 8 watercolor and these two sprays. One is walnut stain and um, the vintage photo, then mustard seed. So I'm going to first spray on the glass mat, and then I'm going to dab it and take the paint on the watercolor paper. Then I'm going to spray some water. Then I'm going to dry it. Now I'm going to just put the drops of the other color, and then I'm going to spray some water on that and then spread it out. Now I'm going to also do the same thing with the mustard seed, and I'm going to make sure it spreads out, and then I'm going to dry it. Then I'm using this neocolor crayons. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button, turn the notification on. That way you can get to see my videos as I post it. Now I'm going to use the other color from neocolor crayons, and then use my water brush and spread it out a little bit. So now I'm going to use this stamp, and I'm using archival ink. I'm just going to um, stamp on the different areas. So now I'm going to use the other stamp. These are like a grungy dotted stamp. Then I'm going to dry it. Before I do the next step, now I'm going to use this zig pen, and I'm going to um, just put it on some of the edges. Now I'm using this gold flakes and putting it on those areas. This is a very simple project for the beginners. So I'm adding some more gold flakes on different areas. And then I'm going to brush it and take out the excess. Now I'm taking out all the excess gold flakes. So I'm adding this as my focal point. So I'm going to now put the coat. And then finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.